Hey guys, welcome back to another Colorado cardio video. Today I'm going to show you how to install a motherboard on a Finess 95T or 93T. As you can see, I've got all the plugins kind of out of the way, tucked into this back area too. There's 8 plugins total. We'll work with these upper ones which connect to the lift motor and motor. So there's 4 on this guy. We've got a 6-pronged one, which will go right here. We've got a 2-pronged clear one, which will go right there. Let's see if I can get it in there. There we go. And we've got a 3-pronged black plug-in. That'll go right down there. And then we've got a 4-pronged, which will go right there. There we go. And then if I pull out the cords that came from back there, this is what we're left with. So we've got a, what's the 10-pronged? And that'll go right up here. And there's 2 different motherboards. One of them is a newer one, being the blue background. One of them is an older style, which is the green background. So they might be in different spots, but it's pretty self-explanatory, and they only fit into one spot. And then we've got a 6-pronged. So this guy, since the blue motherboard is newer, it actually doesn't have a 6 plug-in, so you're completely fine with that. If not, it would most likely be somewhere located next to the 4-pronged plug-in over here. And then we've got the last one being this 4 plug-in. And that's plugged in. Just to double check, all my cords are plugged in. And then what you're going to want to do is lift it up, and the holes for it would be right, I'm trying to see where you can see, there we go, right down there on the corners. And then if you come back here, you can see 1 and 2. There we go, 1 and 2. And you'll plug in the motherboard on the side as well.